The field of sports is not devoid of politics or racial discrimination. One striking example from 1968 can be cited. During the award ceremony at Olympic Stadium in Mexico City, two African American athletes Tommy Smith and John Carlos were subjected to racial discrimination. Despite of bagging gold and bronze medals in 200 meters sprint, they stood shoeless wearing black socks and raised their hands up on the podium as long as the US national anthem played, which blatantly showed that the human rights protocol was the demonstration of the most overly political statement in the history of the modern Olympics. They tried to represent black poverty with their gestures.
2006 match fixing case. Calciopoli was a scandal of football match fixing in Italy's top professional leagues Serie A and to a much lesser extent Serie B. The incident was uncovered in May 2006 where a number of telephone interceptions showed relations between referee organizations and team managers who were then accused of selecting favorable referees. This incident implicated five sides of Serie A, including champions Juventus, who were then stripped of the 2004-05 title and were downgraded to the last place in 2005-06 title and was relegated to Serie B.
The 2016 Brazil Olympics held in Rio de Janeiro saw a large number of protests from the citizens of the country. The people questioned why the government was spending so much on a sporting event rather than using the money for various severe problems like the Zika virus, extremely high air and water pollution, and a slumping economy. However, the IOC insisted with blinders on bringing the games to South America for the first time, and the Brazilian government seemed to like the idea of a global showcase more than the solutions for the country's issues. The protests were suppressed in the most ruthless way and the games were held in the worst conditions.
What is politics in sport? It means the usage of sport as a means to influence the diplomatic, social, and cultural relations. It's also known by another term, and that is sports diplomacy. We can see that sport and politics, two different sectors, when they get combined, we are sure to have an advantage as well as disadvantage. So let's see what they are.
One of the negative aspects is that talent gets neglected because where there is money, there is privilege. So it's so sad to see so many kids who don't reach the level that they deserve to reach. And another negative aspect is that efforts go to waste. And me personally, being a sportsman, know how much hard work and sacrifice has to be made not only by me but also by my family and friends. So I think it just spoils the spirit of the game, and I think for an athlete personally it can be very mentally tolling as well.
Sports has become a safe space for expressing political opinions that need to reach a wider audience. For example, the Indian cricket team wearing camouflage army caps to pay their respects to Pulwama martyrs. The problem of mixing sport and politics in India began when sport becomes a safe space for politicians and their families. In 2017, out of 32 sports federations, 15 were headed by politicians. These positions seem to be passed around their respective families despite their lack of knowledge or interest, resulting in stagnation.
My question is, can Indian sports ever be free from politics? I am a cricketer and I know how politics plays a bad role in cricket. Not only in cricket, but in every sports we play. It is very harsh to see deserving players not getting chance to showcase their talent. We have to remove this barrier from Indian sports. But at the end, we all know that the post of sports administrators are often considered as reserved seats for politicians.
Sports is a dynamic industry. It requires a lot of hard work and dedication. Whereas politics and sports has completely ruined the sports industry. Corrupt politicians do not give chances to the underprivileged children to perform as they give to the privileged children. Why is this so? Why can't we remove the corrupt politicians, and why can't we put all the politicians who are non-corrupt, who have played for our country and who still love sports in our country, so that they can give an equal opportunity for the underprivileged children so that they also can perform. We are losing out on pure talent. Unless we don't do this, India will not be able to perform well in Olympics, we will not have an international name, and we will lose out on pure talent.
Throughout history, sports have always been used as a way of freedom. The politicians try to get attention by going to sports events or meeting sports people in public because public don't see them as normal people, but the sports people are normal.
कौन कहता है कि हिंदुस्तानी में दम नहीं है?
स्पोर्ट्स
स्पोर्ट में से पॉलिटिक्स हटा के देखो, गली गलियों में चैंपियंस मिलेंगे।